In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use internet when the airplane mode is turned on. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So if you want to use internet on your phone when the aeroplane mode is enabled, then there is a very simple trick that you can use to do so. First of all, I'll turn on the airplane mode. Once the airplane mode is enabled, you need to open your phone dialer and type *#*# 4636 #*#*. Now tap on phone information. Okay, here you will see this option mobile radio power. So all you have to do is to enable it, and that's it. After this, you can use internet on your phone while the airplane mode is turned on. Okay, now let's check it. I'll open YouTube. And that's it. As you can see that you can use your internet while the airplane mode is turned on. So that was it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.